Dude, here we are. Can't believe it. Stewart Island, probably one of the last places in all of New Zealand that is so rough, untouched, wild, you know? And also the only place in New Zealand where you can spot a wild kiwi bird. One of our mates, he was here just for one day, hung out by the rugby pitch and saw a wild kiwi bird there. We're here for 3 nights, 4 days, and hoping in that time it would be cool to see that. It's like catching a shiny in Pokemon. If we see a wild kiwi bird, that will make this trip. This will complete the entire New Zealand experience. We've seen kiwi bird before, but in captivity.
Imagine we spot an albino kiwi. Oh my god,
that's
that'd
like
be
the
like
ultimate.
Shiny
That's like
Shadow
a shundi,
100.
a shundo. Kiwi birds are nocturnal creatures, so the chances of you spotting them are greater at night, though people have seen kiwi birds roaming about in the early hours of the morning, just before daylight. But to attract them, I downloaded 2 audio files, one of a male kiwi bird and a female, so hopefully that'll work. And listen to that. See, so I'm gonna use that, and hopefully that works. It's dark outside, we're gonna look for some kiwis. There's a rugby pitch not too far from here. Kiwi bird have been sighted there on numerous occasions, so it's quite a popular spot. There's a good chance we could catch them. Completely dark outside, but if you shine this light at the kiwi bird, it's gonna blind them and potentially frighten them. What we're advised to do is basically put this red cellophane over the top of the flashlight, but at least we could see where we're going, see the kiwi birds in the dark, and we won't blind them. So, wish us luck. Shall we go? Let's go. How's that? Bright enough to see? Apparently there have been some sightings not too long ago at the Fuchsia Road around 10:30 p.m. 2 kiwi birds sniffing around, so we're gonna inspect that area. Let's go.
Fuchsia Road's that way.
Okay, let's go to Fuchsia.
But then Trail Park is up there.
I think we should try the rugby field.
Trail Park.
Yeah. We will spot kiwi birds. First night in Stewart Island. It's gonna happen. Kiwi bird crossing. This is the spot right here. So we just got to the popular kiwi bird spotting location, the rugby pitch. It's surrounded by trees, so I'm thinking maybe we might have some luck if we work our way around the perimeter. What if I play the kiwi bird call? See if that works. Do you hear something?
I think I heard a wee.
I think we found some kiwi bird shit. I don't know what kiwi bird shit looks like. It's 10:28. Still haven't sighted anything. We'll just keep circling the rugby field. Ling has googled kiwi bird poop. There's not too many photos of them, of their caca, surprisingly. Droppings. You try droppings?
Not the candy. But the candy looks like that.
Yeah. It's been more than an hour. It's about 11:17 now. No sighting. We heard some rustling out in the bush on the perimeter of the rugby field in the bush, but nothing. I tried playing the sound of the male kiwi bird, and the only thing it attracted was other people thinking it was an actual kiwi bird. So we're gonna try going down the Fuchsia Walk. There have been some sightings there, so we'll see if we're lucky. Making our way down the Fuchsia Walkway. Nothing so far. It's 11:30, an hour and a half later, and a terrifying walk, not for me, for Ling, through the Fuchsia Walkway. And we come back empty-handed. So I think we'll just call it a night and try again tomorrow. Night number 2 here on Stewart Island. Last night was we came out empty-handed. As we're gonna head out now, it's about 11:30. Gonna head back to the rugby pitch, and hopefully we can catch a sighting of a wild kiwi bird.
Is one there? Oh, no, one's here.
We're ready to do this. Kiwi bird, we're coming for you. It's about 1:45. We are here at the rugby pitch. I'm gonna try playing the Kiwi call. Let's see if that gets anything. Whoa. Oh, it's a moor pork. It's midnight now and we heard the sound of a Kiwi bird off in the distance. We heard it. You know, for all you know, it was someone like myself playing the sound, trying to lure out the Kiwi bird. So that's it for night 2. It's about 12:30, no Kiwi birds spotted. We have one more night tomorrow, and then it's back to Invercargill, so... yeah, Kiwi bird is like this mythical creature that's elusive. It's there, but it'll present itself to you when you're ready. And part of what makes it special is when you put in the effort, and then boom. So we'll try again tomorrow. It'll be our last try. You having fun? Our last night on Stewart Island.
I am trying to see if there's a Facebook group called Stewart Island Kiwi.
I spoke with the woman at Foursquare today and I asked her if she had any tips on how to locate Kiwi, and she said really this is the place to go to. They normally forage in the middle of the pitch because they like to pick at the ground and dig up insects. So you should be able to do a quick scan of the rugby pitch and see if there's any Kiwi birds there. If not, then there's no point in just hanging around and circling. You might as well just leave and come back again. It really depends on the season as well. The daylight hours do affect when the Kiwi bird does come out. At the end of the day, it's based purely on luck and being at the right place at the right time. We scoured the Fuchsia Trail and surrounding areas, keeping silent watch on the rugby field with several other groups. At this point, we were on our final night and still hadn't claimed a brown Kiwi bird sighting in the wild. At about 10 p.m., a loud and shrill sound pierced the darkness, emerging from about 20 feet away, deep within the thick bush. It was the sound of a female Kiwi bird whose cry sounds like a car alarm going off. We were the closest we had ever been, and a sighting was imminent, so we stuck around and waited silently under a blanket of complete darkness. An hour passed and no Kiwi bird emerged from the bush. Slowly, the groups of Kiwi bird seekers began to fall off before Ling and myself succumbed to the same fate. At 5 a.m. that morning, we were awakened to the sound of a dawn chorus like I've never heard it before. It was just 360 degrees of layered bird calls echoing throughout the hills and bush surrounding Oban. We went for a walk around as there were reported sightings in the early hours of the morning, the final moments of foraging for a Kiwi bird before they returned to their nocturnal slumber. There were no Kiwi bird sightings that morning, and time had run out as we had to get ready for our flight back to Invercargill. We got back on board the Cessna 185. Having flown in this plane just 4 days prior, I felt more confident this time around. What was not reassuring was the increased number of people on the plane. We were only 4 flying in, flying out we were 9. It was more windy on this return flight, as the tiny plane pitched up and down as we approached the familiar coastline of Invercargill. The plane started to descend. Just below us were some freaked out sheep and cows in a private paddock as we quickly descended above them. Below me, I could just see grass, more grass. I was expecting to see a patch of sealed tarmac pop into view just before the wheels hit the ground, but it never did. Landing on grass did make for a much softer landing. I just wish the captain could have told us about this beforehand. How was that landing, love?
Okay, I got so scared. I was like, okay, trust he knows what he's doing. Trust. Wait! really caught me by surprise when you landed on the grass.
Oh, really? You think I was going the wrong way?
Just trust the pilot, he knows what he's doing. But wait!
But it was actually softer.
Yeah, it's
softer
like
landing.
The one that there's a grass runway right next to the Stewart runway.
Yeah.
You get a few pumps and you're like, what are you doing?
The sheep must love it.
Yeah. How's the trip, guys?
That was good, yeah, it was a lot of fun.
Lovely. Stewart
Yeah.
Island is lovely.
Thank you.
See ya.
See ya. Rivals. Back in Invercargill.